Alright, so I've had some people ask me to show when I get a chance how to use this kit. This is a kit that's got pockets on the chisel ends. And then it's got a flat one. And the kit number is LT1800 4-piece impact driver set. And it's a bunch of chisel ends for your air hammer. Now I've got this old school CP, it's like 40 some years old. And I absolutely love this damn thing. It is a rockin' sockin' son of a gun, and they just don't make new ones like they made. I think it's like 48, 49 years old. And I'm gonna push this steering stabilizer out of this Superduty because it's junk. I'll show you what it does. So it fits over the end, ball joints and stuff like that, and then literally knocks the damn thing straight out of there. So that's the LT1800 at work with a decent air hammer. That thing's pretty nasty. I was trying to balance it out and use my right hand while holding the phone a weird way, and I had to switch around and do it a different way. But anyway, it's a really nice kit. It's a really nice air hammer kit, and I suggest it to anybody that's using it to help with those beefy air hammer bits that you get, and that cupped design. It's a really nice kit.